Hi guys, it's Dallas with your 2-minute tip for today. So today we're going to talk about following a plan. Now in my career, I've had so many opportunities to work with television shows, reality shows, runway shows, theater, you name it. I've had so many different wonderful things I was able to do, and I'm blessed to be able to do them then and still doing them now. But in that time, I always had to follow a plan, whether it was a storyboard that someone gave me or it was one that I created for myself for the individual I was working on. A good designer will always envision the end result before they begin. For example, an architect, what they're going to do is they're going to create little drawings or even create a miniature little town or space or building of what they're building. A good hairstylist will always envision what they're doing first. And what they'll do is envision what the creativity may be, whether it's a change of direction in the hair, the form of the hair, the texture of the hair. They're going to be able to envision that first. And once you figure that out, the next step is, after being inspired, implement it. Do it on a mannequin. Try it out on a mannequin first. Try it out on a wig first. And that way you can see what it's doing. Now, before we go there, there's always that chance that your original concept is not going to be exactly what you planned in your head. But it's okay. There is no need for failure because you didn't fail. I always look at it as experiences and lessons learned. I say try again until you get it. That's why you actually tried it out on a mannequin or tried it on a wig first. I always do that when I'm working with one of my guests, just to make sure that I'm getting exactly what I see on my head, in my head, and that I saw on my paper that I draw. Now I see it on my mannequin, and now I see it on my customer. So there is your 2-minute tip for today. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.